Hello YouTube! It's time for another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the Omnimobile 25600 Pro. Omnicharge is a company focusing on manufacturing power banks for many different devices like phones, laptops, tablets, Nintendo Switch, drones, you name it. What's different about this power bank in comparison to other power banks is that, first of all, it has a great capacity to charge many different devices. Also, it does have a DC output. It comes in a really nice box that has a thin plastic film around it, and we can see that it also has this hanger so that they can hang them on shelves in different stores and such. The power bank itself has a identity crisis. It says a high capacity laptop power bank for laptops, smart devices, and more. But if you read at the bottom line, it says Omnimobile 25600 Pro. An advanced power bank for all your professional devices. It has adjustable DC out, 12, 16, 19, and 24 volts up to 3.5 ampere. High powered USB-C up to 60 watts and wireless charging up to 10 watts. If we flip it over, we will see that it has wireless charging. It has the power button, of course, battery indicator, DC in and out, USB-C in and out, USB-A. The camera charges 15 times, headphones 30 times, 6 to 9 charges for a phone, 3 charges for a tablet, 2 charges of a laptop, and 5 on a Nintendo Switch. The overall capacity is 25,600 mAh. It has a USB-C output of 60 watt, USB-C input of 40 watts, a DC input of 45 watts, DC output 72 watts, a QC 3.0 18 watts, 2 USB-A ports, and wireless charging of 10 watts at the max. Let's check out what is in the box. Included in this box is a USB-C to USB-C cable with a nice Velcro strap around it to keep it tidy and in place. It is fastened to the cable so that it does not come loose. Also included is a USB-C to a USB-A cable. Also, this one with a Velcro strap as well. The USB-C to USB-C cable is for charging, as well as the USB-A to USB-C cable. You can charge this power bank in different ways. Unpacking the power bank itself, it is packaged in a small plastic bag. Underneath, we have the manual, of course, in many different languages. So the plastic bag is sitting with 2 small tape strips, and we can see that it looks like metal. It looks like matte black metal with rugged plastic on it, but it's actually plastic all around. But it's just 2 different finishes on the plastic. The top part is for wireless charging, and it will charge any phone with wireless charging today. The USB-A ports are equipped with Quick Charge 3.0, which is the 3rd generation of Quick Charge that quick charges your devices up to about half of their max power while keeping the warmth down. The USB-C connector doubles as an in and output, so you can both charge devices and charge the actual device with it. It is compatible with USB PD, which means that it will adapt depending on what device you are using. The DC output has a 72 watt max output, and it has an input of 45 watts max. You can easily change the voltage from 12 to 16 to 19 to 24 by using the power button and voltage selector. Speaking of the power button, it feels like it is the worst quality on this whole power bank. The button feels super easy to actually engage. If you're pressing it, you barely need to touch it for it to register you pressing it. What worried me about this was that maybe if you have this power bank in your bag and accidentally just get a bump and it will shut off, but the on and off function is only activated if you long press the button. If you double press the button, you will enter the DC output mode, and then you simply just single press the button for selecting your desired voltage. But I would much rather prefer that the power button were sunk into the device a little bit, not sticking out like it does now. There is no way to secure this button from not being pressed. If you had it in a little groove or something, you could have just put a tape strip over it to not accidentally press it. So that is a little negative side of this power bank. On the positive side, we have a 92 watt-hour consumption of this power bank, which means this is the highest capacity power bank you are allowed to carry on any airplane internationally and domestically. This is also the reason that I got this power bank, so I can travel with it, because I stream on Twitch 6 days a week, and with this power bank I am able to bring the stream with me when traveling. So make sure to check me out on Twitch. You got the link in the description below, and if you have any questions about this device, feel free to drop by my channel and ask them there, and I will answer them for you. Thank you all for watching, have a great time, and I'll see you in the next video.